Hello, CNG 124. I just received a few emails on how to do the workbook assignments. So I will show that right here. I already have it downloaded. I already did the download for the workbook. Where is my button? Okay. So here we have my workbook. You do not have to print out all 89 pages. There is a way to print off one page at a time. We go to Control P and then move to one copy. We can say a current page, or we can say a number of pages. So let's see what was due or what is due. One. Let's go back to review. So we need to do page, I believe it's 3. Complete page 1 from your IPv4 workbook. Okay. So we're going to go back to that PDF document. Page, is it really page 1 though? Actually, let's go like this. See, I can see page 1. That should move. That should move to page 2. Well, let's see. If it counts this as page 1, cancel. We really want to print out page. It looks like it counts as page 2. Or no. Nope, it's page 1. So right here we can see it's page 1 in the bottom right corner, but it does not match up with our real page. We can see it's actually page 3. So we'll go to File, Print, Page, and we'll say page 3. Now you can print it to a LaserJet. If you want to do it within a PDF, we can actually say Adobe PDF, and it'll print it back to a PDF document. I guess that'd be the way not to waste paper for this example. Print, save. It's printing right now, and here we go. It printed up as a PDF document. Now I'm able to either print this off or enter values digitally. But then when we get to that, let's go ahead and close this, close all tabs. This is the submission drop box. So if you click Student View, View as a Student, once I complete that, PDF, then I go ahead and submit it. Your workbook assignments will go in at the top, and once again, they're not graded. They're just there for your practice. The hard part about this course is putting the material down and not rehearsing the material, and then forgetting how to do it when we go to next week, when we go into a new topic that builds on top of this week. So make sure you go to Activities, Assignments, submit the worksheets here, workbook assignments. You'll get a long list of workbook assignments, and that's if you want me to look them over and kind of say, hey, look, work on this. Maybe you missed this. Those assignments are for you to keep on practicing. Oh, look at that, recover web page. Keep on practicing so you keep that in your head, and you're still not forgetting it. You're still working with it multiple times through the week. So I'd add the file. Once again, let's pretend that that's done. Addressing workbook. Sure, we can pretend that that's that. That's the whole book, though. And then we say, once it uploads, click the add, field is required, it's still uploading. But we basically upload it there, click the submit, and then we get a notification right here, a little red dot to the right of this bell. saying that we did submit this assignment, and then I'll take a look at it and give you some feedback. This is a way for you to, like I said, to practice, because this course is a lot of practice. The course is easier if you're constantly practicing the assignments that I do for review. So once again, not graded, but feel free to keep on practicing to make sure you have these concepts down and make the course easier for yourself.